My name is Sitora. I am a student at the American University of Central Asia in the field of European studies, learning foreign languages. I do always question myself, why did we come into this world if we don't find any meaning in our life? If we don't find our passion on what we want to achieve, not just in one period of time, but in an entire life. I was 11 years old. I had kind of issue with my hearing problem. And I remember my uncle inviting me to friends to his wedding. And during that time, we went to the doctor. They suggested us that this is kind of health that is gonna last for long. We don't know what will happen next. When we went to friends, there were a lot of people from diverse backgrounds. It was kind of interesting for me. It was the first trip for me in my life. Even though I didn't have any hearing aid to listen and to hear what are they saying, but it was interesting for me to see how people communicate in different languages. And then after coming back from France, I don't know, I had kind of passion to learn English. Languages do give you joy. Languages do give you some sourceful information. For example, if you learn one language, you don't have to learn that language, reading, writing, speaking, listening skills, but also the history of that country, the people of that country, and the culture and the ethnicity of that country. I believe that the hope that I had inside me, it helped me to believe in myself that I can make it happen. Like not to just only learn English, but also to be in all kind of activities, to participate in different programs, volunteering at American Space December, Youth Student Network Education Organization. It's been a really, really life-changing experience for me.